morning, guys! It's our 5th day here in Seoul, South Korea. Today, guys, we're heading to Jeonhae. So this is Mini, our tour guide.
Oh, grabe. Kita nyo, tsempuhan lang talaga kapag walang tao. Benda na lang kung masipag ka.
We're just waiting for our tour guide here sa Myeongdong Exit 2. It will be a joint tour, guys, for the Jeonhae Cherry Blossom Festival. The pickup time here sa Exit 2, guys, sa Myeongdong is at 6 AM. It's currently 5:47, so we will be there before 6. So we're now here, guys, at Myeongdong Exit 2. So the guide is now calling all the names na join sa tour. Alright, guys, so we're now on the bus. So it's currently 6:06 and exactly 6:06 na siya guys, umalis yung bus.
Alright guys, baba muna kami and bibili lang kami ng snacks. Siguro mga after 20 minutes, babalik na kami.
Alright, guys, so we're almost there and I can already see some cherry blossoms. Alright, guys, we're finally here at Jeonhae. So this is Mini, our tour guide.
Hello.
Yeah, so can you tell us about the place?
So this place is the Jeonhae. The name of the city is Jeonhae. Famous for the naval seaport area. And also the name of the festival is the Gunhangjae, which means the battleship in Korea, to commemorate the General Lee Sun-shin. And here they have like a 360,000 cherry blossom tree all over the city. And also during the weekend, if you're lucky, you can also get into the Korean military navy base and see the marching band and also the jet plane festival during the event.
So after here, we will also go to another
second spot, the Gyeonghwayeok station area.
Yeah, so we'll
both of them are like the
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mini.
We'll explore now, guys. So nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice in person, guys.
Yeah.
So you can see, guys, there's a stream here.
So guys, since hindi makakapaglipad ng drone dito, sabi ng pinsan ko na nag-work dito, kailangan to lang license talaga para makapag-operate ka ng drone. So ayan. Ayun guys, kita nyo, tsempuhan lang talaga kapag walang tao. Kasi guys, sobrang matao talaga dito sa lugar na to. Ito kasi talaga yung parang mahabang stream nila ng tubig. Ayan. Tapos, merong cherry blossoms dito sa daan. Sobrang dami, guys. Grabe, ang haba nito. So ayun guys, nandito pa rin kami, but it's currently 12:20.
Yes, guys.
So yung pick up time or yung balik namin sa bus is around 12:50 PM. Share lang namin guys yung experience namin, ha. Ito, honest lang talaga to na like experience talaga like dito sa Jeonhae. Ang dami mga tao, hindi ka talaga makaporma and talagang kailangan mo mag-effort kung saan ka angulo na magpo-pose.
Padiskarte na lang, guys.
Yeah, diskartehan lang talaga. And normally guys, ha, ito, usually talaga, kadalasan sa na-experience namin is kapag nagpipicture ka, sasabihin nilang, okay. Parang pangungunahan ka nila. No offense naman sa mga Chinoy or mga Chinese na Pinoy. Hindi ko naman generalize, pero usually talaga or most of them talaga sa Alright guys, we're now finally here. Yeah. And also guys, yung mga trees and yung mga cherry blossoms. Sobrang ganda. Like,
and then we're very blessed, guys.
God.
We're very blessed kasi nakikooperate yung weather, no? Ang ganda ng weather today. Kasi sabi ng tour guide namin, the past few days daw, umuulan.
Tamang-tama talaga. Grabe. Thank you, Lord. Look at the view. Look at our background. Look at the background, guys. Nindot kayo. Nindot kayo. Alright guys, pahinga muna kami. Yes. Sobrang haba nitong railway na to. And sobrang dami ding tao, guys. Our guide told us that it is really nice here, especially on weekdays because it's not really that crowded. But actually, this is the crowd right now. And come to think of it, guys, how much more if it's on weekends, di ba? So, ayan, sobrang dami siguro ng tao dito. So actually, nahirapan din kami maghanap ng angle kasi every angle talaga merong tao or merong dadaan.
So it's currently 2:33 p.m. guys. So yung meet-up namin doon is 2:40. So 7 minutes to walk guys. By the way, yung nabayaran ko pala dito sa tour na to na Jeonhae Cherry Blossom is 5,916. So nabook siya sa Klook using my code na Daisy5 off. And then guys, dalawang destination na siya, Jeonhae and Gyeongwon ba yun?
Gyeongwon Station.
Gyeongwon Station. Full day tour talaga siya. 5,916 pala guys, dalawa na kami doon. If you want to book, just check the description box guys. Nandun yung link ng tour and then yung discount code ko.
Tsaka ang bait-bait ng guys, ng tour guide. Na-interview pa namin siya kanina. Si Opa Mini.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're now in the bus. So we're going back to Seoul guys. Yung travel time is 5 hours. So yes guys, see you in Seoul. Alright guys, so we just arrived back in Myeongdong.
Yeah, just right here at Lotte Department Store. That was a great trip and that was a really great experience. Dito na lang kami sa check by check kasi sobrang haba ng pila doon and mamadali kami kasi mag-check out na kami or kukunin namin yung mga maleta namin doon sa accommodation namin. So guys, pili na kami ng kakainin namin. Ito yung menu nila.
Alright guys, so we're here at Myeongdong Vintage. So para siyang ukay-ukay guys. Ayan. So naghahanap si Jude.
Pero kayo makikita dito ng mga Levi's, mga Nike na original na nila guys, na mga ukay-ukay. So ayun. Depende na lang kung masipag ka.
Patapat lang siya ng Olive Young guys.
Yeah.
Myeongdong.
Pero mga mumurahin lang guys, less than 1,000 pesos. Meron ding tig 500 pesos. Kaya masipagan na talaga pag pumunta kayo dito. 15,000 won lang guys oh. Tingnan nyo gano'ng kaganda pa rin yung quality niya no. Tapos nasa ano lang siya, 700 plus, 750 pesos. So ito na guys yung exit 3 going to the electronics store.
Grabe, ang dami!